Hello, hello YouTube. Today I will be doing a review of my Bermuda Triangle deck. So let's get started. The starter: 5 critical, 4 stand, 2 heal, and 4 draws. Great ones. I have 4 of these, 2 of these, 1 negator, 3 of these, 2 of these, and 2 of these. For the great tools, I have 4 of these, 1 of these, 1 BO, 3 of these, and 3 of the SQ intercept. For the great trees, I have 1 of these, 2 flores, 2 reindeer, and 4 of these. So thanks for watching, and remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.